Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I am actually not going to share a project which I have made myself, but instead I want to share this beautiful album made by a very talented craft friend. So she had used my interactive 25-page styles mega bundle, which I sell on Etsy, and she had made this 6x6-inch album. And with this bundle you can just choose from 25 different interactive page styles, and then you can mix and match them in your album and just decorate them to your liking. And she just did a great job decorating this album, so I really can't wait to share it with you in a second. But before, I just want to suggest to you to go to her Instagram account and check out her beautiful profile. So besides sharing mini albums and folios she have made on her Instagram account, you can also find a lot of content on journaling. So if you like journaling and you also like this vintage style, you should definitely go and follow her on her Instagram channel. Okay, so now let's just have a look at this beautiful project. I hope that you enjoyed today's project share. So for me, it's just great to see that you guys are using my cutting guides, templates, and video tutorials, but then your albums just look completely different to mine. You have your own style, and I just love all your beautiful creations that I've seen so far. And if you're now interested in also making an album like this, you can totally do that by using the cutting guides, templates, and video tutorials on my YouTube channel. It's very easy to make, even though if you're a beginner or you're just new to mini album making. I promise you it looks more difficult than it actually is. So you can find my Etsy shop in the description box down below, and this is actually part of the Mega Bundle, which includes 25 different interactive page style ideas and everything you would need to make those page styles. And so far it's available in 2 sizes, so you can decide if you want to purchase the bundle for 6x6-inch mini albums, or you can also purchase it for 8x8-inch mini albums. And if you haven't seen it yet, you can also get my digital advent calendar for this year. And this advent calendar also includes 25 different interactive page styles. So these are of course new page styles. So these are not the ones you have seen in this video or in any video on my YouTube channel so far. But yeah, so I just will post a video tutorial on a new page style every day in December, starting on December 1st. And then with the purchase, you are getting the cutting guides and the templates for each page style as well. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I hope that you enjoyed watching it. If you did so, please give it a thumbs up, and also I would love to get your feedback in the comments down below. So if you have any question, you could also leave it in the comments, and then see you in my next video. Bye!